So we just opened our shipment of Self Swabs from Becton Dickinson. Really excited for this. We are going to be one of the practices in the country, one of the first to offer Self Swab for cervical cancer screening. So this is super exciting. I'm going to tell you what this means. Okay, so as you know, typically when we do a pap test, we have to put in a speculum and find the cervix and then use a little brush and get some specimens from the cervix for cervical cancer screening. This is often a very uncomfortable test for many, and some women just ignore the gynecologist altogether because they don't want this uncomfortable exam. So now we have a new option, and all it takes is this swab. So this is a screen for HPV, or human papillomavirus, which is the virus that causes cervical cancer. And so if you're somebody who still wants to get screened for HPV, but you don't want the speculum exam and you don't want that to be, a part of your GYN exam, you just come in and you break this swab like this. You take this, you insert it into the vagina, twirl it for about 30 seconds, put it back in, and then you just give it to our office and we will send this off for you. So you can choose to skip the speculum exam altogether. Now, this is only a screen for HPV, so it does not pick up cells from the actual transformation zone on the cervix. But HPV alone is a perfectly acceptable way of screening for cervical cancer. Again, because HPV causes cervical cancer. So if you've been putting off going to the gynecologist because you are scared, you're nervous about a speculum exam, you have a previous history of trauma, or you have tight pelvic floor muscles, it's better to get this done than skip cervical cancer screening altogether, because we know that cervical cancer is one of the few cancers that can actually be detected early, and so you can prevent this cancer. So again, we are one of the first offices in the US to offer this. If you are interested in becoming a patient here, feel free to call us. I'll drop the information below. And please let me know what questions you have about the Self Swab.